Imagine cruising down a scenic highway, wind in your hair, the sun warming your face, and your entire home right behind you, but not in a massive RV or bulky camper van. Instead, you're riding the future of compact travel, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV. This isn't just a trike, it's a revolution in freedom, mobility, and sustainable living, all wrapped into one sleek, futuristic design. The 2026 Camper Tricycle RV redefines the way we think about road trips. It's designed for solo travelers and adventurous duos who crave flexibility without sacrificing comfort. Powered by an electric assist motor, the trike glides smoothly along highways and backroads alike, offering a quiet ride and a significantly smaller carbon footprint than traditional motorhomes. With advancements in battery technology, a full charge gives you a range of over 200 miles, perfect for exploring national parks, coastal highways, or remote mountain trails without worrying about fuel stops. But the real magic happens when you park. At first glance, it might seem compact, but with a few easy adjustments, the camper section unfolds into a cozy micro-home. Inside, you'll find a surprisingly spacious living area, complete with a convertible bed, a compact kitchenette, and modular storage compartments that make smart use of every inch. High-efficiency solar panels on the roof power LED lighting, a mini fridge, and even a small heater or fan depending on the season. There's also a rainwater collection system and a compact composting toilet, allowing you to stay off-grid longer and travel more sustainably. What sets the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV apart is its focus on minimalism and freedom. Unlike traditional RVs that often require planning for parking and hookups, this trike can go places bigger vehicles can't. Its slim frame and agile handling make it perfect for weaving through narrow mountain roads, slipping into compact camping spots, and even city exploration. Whether you're camping in the forest, parked beside a lake, or staying the night in a friend's driveway, you're always home. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With a reinforced lightweight frame, advanced braking system, and onboard sensors that help detect road hazards, the 2026 Camper Tricycle is as safe as it is adventurous. The panoramic windshield and high-definition rear camera give you a full view of your surroundings, making navigation and parking simple, even in tighter spaces. The interior feels more like a capsule of peace than a vehicle. The use of eco-friendly materials, warm LED lights, and ergonomic design creates a calming environment. You can fold out a small desk to work remotely, brew a cup of coffee as the sun rises over a mountain ridge, or curl up with a good book under the stars. The camper's tech integration includes voice controls, smart climate adjustments, and a satellite communication system to keep you connected, even in the most remote areas. For those who crave adventure but don't want the responsibility or cost of a large RV, this tricycle camper offers the perfect middle ground. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It encourages you to slow down, explore more, and reconnect with nature without leaving a heavy footprint. With its eye-catching design and futuristic silhouette, you're sure to turn heads at every stop, but more importantly, you'll be turning moments into memories. So whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend explorer, or someone dreaming of the open road, the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV is your ticket to freedom. It's about living light, traveling far, and experiencing the world at your own pace. No engine roar, no gas station stress, just you, the road, and a home that follows wherever you go.